Hey, it's Edge here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for Netflix. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide target and invalidation levels for the presented counts. So let's get going again. Now, last time when we were looking into Netflix, we were right around here, this drop 20th of April. At that point we had a couple of different counts possible, but this is the one that I am currently looking towards too, saying that we had a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is just because we had that massive amounts of volume or strength on this move coming down, with the RSI making the lows here for the third. Then we had a potential running flat for the wave 4 and then starting a new sequence of 5 waves, trying to get the last leg down of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Now currently as it stands, we could have already finished this 5-way structure here. Could be having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 1, 2 could also be up here, so it is not quite certain what we are actually dealing with. With this way we have wave 1 and 2 here, we could have another 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But again, I wouldn't blame anyone for placing it this way either. This structure here is just not clear what this is, to be honest. I'm still thinking this is ending the fourth here. Either of these peaks should be fine, but again, this peak is higher, which makes it possible for this to be a wave 2. Now down here we do have that set divergence, but the price action on this last bit here is not really showing too much strength yet. As you can see, we have some kind of a more like a 3-way move here, which would indicate again some kind of corrective pattern. Now on RSI and on price we can have a possibility for some kind of triangle, whether it comes down a bit further here. There's definitely space on the RSI, but again, clear invalidation levels at these highs here, same as with these lows here for the triangle idea. Now how would this triangle even fit is a bit questionable as well. We had this massive gap here, which again is making these counts kind of hard to make. If we had a 1, 2 and this indeed was a 1, 2, and we had again an invisible 1, 2 here for the third wave here, fourth and fifth, ending this wave structure of third, then we could have another structure here as 1, 2. This would be the third, so let me label that to make some sense of it. 1, 2, this would be third, creating a fourth, some kind of triangle, or even just coming up higher correctively, and then looking for the fifth, right? So that is definitely a possibility. Now again, as said, the divergence is present, but we don't really have a good looking structure here. This last leg here, we had again some kind of a gap here that has not been filled, but a major, basically a good crash of 13% here. But again, this looks more like a 3-way move here, right? Like an A, B and C. A good looking zigzag if it was one. So overall, even though I've labeled this as potential fifth, I'm still having the possibility in mind that this is actually just a fourth of this whole structure here. Now other ideas for this correction is that we have some kind of a ABC move here instead of the 5-way move. The 5-way move is definitely more bearish, as on the completion of this structure we would just have the A or A1, one or the other. At this point we would be looking again at wave 2 or B wave around 50% or golden pocket areas. There's definitely some merit to this. Now again, the other option was to have some kind of ABC structure here. The wave B here, or this was the fourth wave here, we could be looking at it like this. Now the one-to-one extension comes really close to the current one. This is not properly placed, let me fix that. So the one-to-one comes pretty close to the current lows, which is adding some kind of confluence here around this. It even comes a bit lower, 1.236, and at that case we would be looking again the same issue we have with the other count, saying that this structure here is 5 waves, but is it done? There's just not certainty of that. Now if the price breaks these previous highs here, as we are thinking of this as a wave 4 of some sort, then we can be looking this structure here, whatever it comes to, as some kind of bullish move. Whether it turns out to be a leading diagonal here or something else, we can probably be more bullish than we are at the moment. But before we break these highs, I'm still bearish on Netflix. And that's pretty much all I wanted to share. Link to my Discord on the description as well. If you have another coin you would like me to analyze, let me know in the comments as well. But for now, thank you for watching and hope to see you back on the channel soon. Bye bye.